How to calculate age using a date of birth in Excel. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, make sure your date is in date format. Simply select date of birth. As you can see, there are 3 date of birth. Simply select the cell, right click, and then click on Format Cells. After you click on Format Cells, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. On left side, you'll find Date. Click on Date and then press on OK located at bottom beside Cancel. After you've done that, click on the cell where you want your age to calculate. Type in equals and DATEDIF, DATEDIF, then open bracket and then press A2 as date of birth is in A2 and then comma today, which means it will show up to date. After you've typed in today, open bracket and then close bracket again. After you've done that, you'll find all these options like this. Then press on comma and then upper comma, which is 2, and then type in Y, which simply means column. Type 2 columns before Y and after Y. Close the bracket and then press on enter and you'll find your age. To simply drag it till the last, drag it down. As you can see, age is appeared. And this is how to calculate age using a date of birth in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.